Today on The Garage Engineer, we're going to test to see how bright an 8,000 lumen as seen on TV light fixture is compared to a 60 watt light bulb. Oh, hold on a second. Much better. I wanted to do a video on some lighting. Now, whenever I go to the big box stores, they have those items that are right up front that are their impulse buys, and I always pass it because it's not what I need at the time. But one day I was just walking through the store trying to get some ideas, and I said, well, let me take a look at these impulse items. So one issue that I'm having down in the paint booth room, we just have one regular LED light bulb that lights the entire room, and the room's probably like 25 by 25 feet. So that's a pretty big area for just one light bulb, so it's very dark. Most of the time it's not a problem because we got lights in the light booth, so that takes care of that problem. But outside the light booth, it's kind of hard to see the paints and reading directions, stuff like that. So to change out that one light bulb, instead of putting a whole new big fixture, I wanted to try to see how this light works. Now, I haven't read the specs on it, but I mean, they've got, this is as seen on TV. It says it's a quad burst luminary day multi-directional. Oh, well, let's turn around. Here you go, multi-directional LED light. So what it's saying is you can replace your one light bulb up in the ceiling with this, and you're going to get, I think it's, I don't even know the specs on this thing. Let's see here, it's Kelvin. 8,000 lumens of LED light, so that will be pretty bright and will brighten up the room very well. It's 4,000 Kelvin, which is fine. I prefer a little bit brighter daylight because of the way I do filming. I like the 5,000 Kelvin light range, but it'll work. Alright, let's see what we got. Over the years, as seen on TV products, have gotten a little bit better. There's still some cheesy things, but the quality, at least, they aren't too bad. So let's see what we got here. We got instructions, so I don't even know what the instructions would be. Screw it on, screw it off. There you go. Well, here's the warranty. You can't sue them. Alright, so it's got a lot of packaging. Looks like it's well packed. Let's see here, we get it out. Cardboard. Plastic. So the Bell Howard, which is probably just a name they license, sticker is a little off. It's adjustable, so that's kind of neat. So when you're in the room, you can adjust it to wherever you want to point. It comes with a little cap to protect it. This is pretty substantial. We'll have to see how it does and how long it lasts. That's the question, is how long is it going to last? So let's go install it and go and see how bright it is. So this is the before with a 60 watt LED light bulb. And here's the after. Wow, that is bright. That definitely puts out the light. And this room is much brighter. And I'm very surprised with how much one little bulb can do compared to the typical LED 60 watt light bulb we got there. So, I mean, this room is now so much brighter than it was. We'll just have to check on longevity, and I want to see how hot it gets too. Let me go get the thermometer and we'll test it to see what it is before and after. So we've got room temperature at 79 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to take a shot of the light itself, and right now it's saying it's at 82 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll let that run for about 5 to 10 minutes and see how hot we get. And another impulse buy I had was one of these spotlights. It's solar powered. I love the idea of solar powered lights for outdoor lights because they're usually farther away, or it gives you more options for items that are farther away, mailboxes, trees, or whatnot that you want to light up. But since they've been out, the intensity has only been 10, 15 lumens, which is not really even enough to soft light an object. But what I saw on this one now, technology is getting better with efficiency of LEDs and the power. This is 60 lumens output. So I want to see, now we're getting into the good range of it's going to be bright, and you can light up a larger item like a tree or a mailbox. So what we're going to do is put it at the sign that is in front of the subdivision to see how well that lights up 60 lumens. You might need two, but we're just going to go with one for right now just to see the brightness. This being solar is even better that you don't have to connect it up to electrical. We're good to go. So it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see what the temperature of the light is now. So it's saying the center of the light is at 117 degrees Fahrenheit and the light bulbs itself are about 108. So that's not too bad. It is heating up. We'll watch it. Well, we'll check. Let's see what the regular light bulb looks like. So after about 5 minutes, the light bulb itself only was very cool to the touch. It was about 83 degrees Fahrenheit, but the base did get up to about 127. So that's about the same as what the 8,000 lumen one was. We've got a lot of vehicle traffic today, but we'll see if we can get some quiet moments here. But I've installed the light in front of the neighborhood sign, so we will wait till it gets dark and see how bright it actually gets from a distance. And you do want to make sure that you turn it on. There's a button on the back side, and make sure it's on. But other than that, just let it sit, let it soak up some rays, and do its thing. So it's late at night, and we are in night mode here, videotaping. So let's go check out our solar light and see how bright it is at nighttime lighting up the sign. So even in the middle of the night, we have a lot of traffic coming through these parts. But as you can see, our solar light is very bright. That does cast a little bit of shadow on the lettering, but that could be alleviated by having two solar lights. But just having one can easily light up that sign. We'll just have to see the location and how well it picks up the sun, because it is kind of shaded, to recharge itself. But for starting out, it's doing a great job. So technology has come a long way since the day of the incandescent light bulb. We had our 8,000 lumen light fixture that works tremendously and lights up a great big room. And our solar lights, which are 60 lumens, and it's solar powered, so you can put that light anywhere and light up anything from a mailbox to a sign to a tree in the middle of your field. So I hope these reviews help you. This video isn't sponsored by either company. I just wanted to show products and how interesting they are. If you're interested in learn more about it, I'll have a link to Amazon for these items in the video description. And if you'd like to see more videos like the one that you just saw, you can check here and here. And remember the ABCs of making. Always be creating. Till next time.